Hello dear students, today new topic differential equations. So new topic, so today the concept is finding the order and degree. So first question is finding the order and degree of the following. So how to find the order and degree of the following? So first of all, I am going to take the question and then we will discuss. Because of that, in generally maximum times we will ask the question of order and degree only. So the question is, suppose the question d power 4 by d power 4y by dx power 4 plus sine of y triple is equal to 0. He asked to find the order and degree. So children, here first of all let me to tell, here a few important points are there. This dy by dx we can write as a y1 also. Otherwise we can write as a y dash also. Like this we can express. Suppose d square by dx square is there. So d square by dx square means we can write as a y2 or y double dash. Then d cube by dx cube is there. Then we can write this one as a y3 or y triple dash. So these are the notations we will use in this problem. So this is the first order, this is the second order, this is the third order. Now come to the point. He given like this. First we have to check this one is there, now this one we can write d power 4 by dx power 4 plus the sine of y triple dash is nothing but d cube by dx cube. This is the meaning. Is equal to 0. Now, what is the order? Order means highest times differentiation is there, that is called the maximum times differentiation is there, that is called order. Here only 3 times differentiated, here 4 times differentiated. So, what is the order? Here order equal to maximum times of differentiation. So, order equal to 4. Because of that, here 3 times, here 4 times differentiating. So order equal to 4. Then what about the degree? So degree means here for order there is no conditions, nothing. But for degree, compulsory conditions are there. What is the conditions? This must be a polynomial. Must be a polynomial means the meaning that if any trigonometric function is having differentiation, then it has its degree not defined. This is a very important point, children. If any trigonometric function having the differentiation, then degree not defined. Or any logarithmic function having the differentiation, degree not defined. Any logarithmic function having the differentiation, or any trigonometric function having the differentiation, or e to the power of means exponential having the differentiation. Exponential, e power differentiation, logarithm differentiation, and trigonometric function having the differentiation, then the degree not defined. But order we can define, but degree not defined. So here what is the degree? Degree means not defined. Degree is not defined. This is the important. So children, here highest time differentiating 4 times, so order equal to 4, but degree not defined. Because of that, this is not a polynomial. Why? Because this trigonometric function have the differentiation, so degree not defined. This is the first question. Then we go to the next question. The second question is y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. So I just now I said y dash. Y dash is nothing but dy by dx. That means this one we can write like this, dy by dx plus 5y equal to 0. So here only one time differentiation, so order is equal to 1. Then degree means the power of the order. First we check this is a polynomial because of the dy by dx 5y. There is no trigonometric function or any logarithmic or power is not there. So we can define. So what is the degree? Degree is nothing but the power of the order. This is the order. This one power is 1. So what is the degree? Degree equal to 1 and order also equal to 1. Now we will go to another question. Third question of this model. If you will check out the third question is ds by dt, which is having 1 to the power of 4 plus 3s into d square s by dt square is equal to 0. He is asking find the order and degree. Children, don't see the power. We have to see this is first term differentiation. Here second term differentiation means here only one time. Here two times we are doing the differentiation. Don't see the power. Power we know only this we have to check d. One time differentiation. Here two times differentiation. So maximum time differentiation is 2. So here we can write that one order equal to 2. Then sir, what about the degree? Degree means I said first we have to check this is a polynomial only. So degree is nothing but the power of order. So this is the order we are defining. So what is the power? Nothing is there means 1 is there. So what is the degree? Degree equal to 1 and order is 2. This is the answer. Now we will go to the next question. The next question is d square y by dx square, which is having whole square, plus cos of dy by dx is equal to 0. This is the question. So children, first of all, order we can write up. Easily we can write the order. So what is the order here? Order means highest time differentiating. Here only one time differentiating. Here two times differentiating. Two times. So order equal to 2. When come to the point about the degree, when we will discuss about the degree. Here whatever the degree, degree means first we have to check whether it is a polynomial or not. This is not a polynomial. Why it is not a polynomial? Because the trigonometric function is having the differentiation. Cos of means this is cos of dy by dx. Trigonometric function have the differentiation. Then it is not a polynomial. The degree is not defined. Degree not defined. This is the answer. Order we can define, but when finding the degree we have to check any trigonometric function is having dy by dx, or logarithmic is having the dy by dx, or e power having the degree. If it is there, then degree not defined. Now we will go to the next question. The next question is d square y by dx square is equal to cos of 3x plus sine of 3x. So look here, first of all come to the point order. So we can say order is nothing but 2 times differentiating order equal to 2. Then what about the degree? Degree means first you have to check trigonometric functions are there, but these are not having the degree. So definitely here degree can define. Because of that, this trigonometric function is not having the degree. So degree can define. Then what is the degree? Whatever you are writing order, this order power only degree. So what is the degree? Degree equal to 1 and order equal to 2. Is that? Now we will go to the another question on this model. The next question is y triple dash whole square plus y double dash whole cube plus y dash whole power 4 plus y power 5 is equal to 0. So first of all come to the point the order. Order means I said maximum highest time differentiation. Here only one time differentiating, here two times differentiating, here three times differentiating. So order equal to 3. Then what about the degree, sir? Yes, degree can define. Why? There is no trigonometric function, there is no e power, there is no logarithm. So definitely degree can define. Degree is nothing but which term you are writing the order, its power only. So this one I am writing as a order because the 3 times differentiate. This one power means 2. So degree equal to 2. Order 3 and a degree 2. That's it. Now, in the same manner, we will go to the another question. The next question is y triple dash plus 2 into y double dash plus y dash equal to 0. He is asking first of all order. Order means highest time differentiating, here one time differentiating, here two times differentiating, here three times differentiating. So order is equal to 3. What about the degrees? First you check out. There is no trigonometric function, no logarithmic function, no e power is there. Definitely degree can define. Degree means which term you are writing order, its power. So this term you are writing order 3, then this one power, nothing is there means 1 is there. So what is the degree, children? Degree equal to 1. This is the one. So my dear friends, compulsory 1% in CET on this order and degree concept. And JEE also, there is a large number of times more chances are there possible. Now next one is y dash plus y equal to e to the power of x. So here you check out first of all order. Order means only one time differentiating, order 1. Come to the point about the degree. Degree means, my dear children, here there is no trigonometric function, there is no logarithm, there is e power is there. But what I said, if e power is having the dy by dx, if e having the power dy by dx, then degree not defined. But e power only x is there is no dy by dx. So there is no dy by dx means compulsory here degree can define. So what is the degree? This one order and this one power. What is that one? 1. So order 1 and degree also 1. Now we will go to the next question. Y double dash plus y dash whole square plus 2y is equal to 0. So we can check out here one time differentiating, here two times differentiating, two times, number of times more. So order equal to 2. Then degree. So what is the degree? Degree means this highest term differentiating, this only order, its power. Nothing is there means power 1 is there. So order 2 and its degree is 1. We go to the next one. Next question on this one. The next question is y double dash plus 2 into y dash plus sin y is equal to 0. So be careful. Order, for order no restrictions, no rules, nothing. What is the order? Order means y 2 times differentiating, here 1 time differentiating. Maximum times differentiating, here only how much 2. But when writing down the degree, we have to check. Here trigonometric function is there. But what I said, if the trigonometric function is having dy by dx, logarithmic function is having dy by dx, or e power is having dy by dx, then only in these three cases only degree not defined. Okay, now? So in these three cases only degree not defined. So here trigonometric function is there, but there is no dy by dx. So compulsory degree defined. So how much here y double dash this one power. Nothing is there, this power 1 is there. So order 2 and this power is 1. So order equal to 2 and degree equal to 1. Now you go to the next question. The question is d square y by dx square whole cube plus dy by dx whole square plus sine of dy by dx plus 1 equal to 0. Order to 1 में ना. So what is the order? Here 1 time differentiating, here 2 times differentiating. Order equal to 2. But while writing down the degree, what I said, if trigonometric function is having the dy by dx, degree not defined. So here also trigonometric function, this is having dy by dx. So definitely degree what happened? Not defined. This degree is not defined. This is the answer. To discuss another question is, the next question is 2x square into d square y by dx square minus 3 into dy by dx plus y equal to 0. This is the question. So what is the order? Here one time differentiating, here two times differentiating. Compulsory order equal to two times differentiating. Then degree. So degree can define, because this is not in this form or in this form or in this form. Definitely degree can define. So what is the degree? This one, whatever order painting is the term power. Nothing is there means 1 is there. So order 2 and degree 1. This way you will find out the order and degree. Now, in the same way, if you will take one more question in this model, the question is y double dash whole to the power of 5 plus 4 into y double dash whole cube by y triple dash plus y triple dash is equal to sin x. This is the question. He given this is the question. Now we will do the sums. See, the question is y double dash whole power 5 plus 4 into y double dash whole cube by y triple dash plus y triple dash. Also we can say that for order. Order means the highest term differentiating 3. We can define, but only the problem is the degree. So first of all, we can't write the same, both the terms are there, now we can't put in denominator. First we will simplify. Simplify means we can do the LCM. What is the LCM? Y triple dash is the LCM. We declare the LCM, then y triple dash into y double dash whole to the power of 5 plus 4 into y double dash whole cube plus here also if you do the transfer LCM in a y triple dash whole square is equal to sin x into y triple dash. Now children, sorry, here by is there, this by, first of all like this you will write. Now you send this y triple dash that side, then the answer is y triple dash into y double dash whole power 5 plus 4 into y double dash whole cube plus y triple dash whole square is equal to sin x into y triple dash. Now concentrate on the code. Children, here highest term differentiating 3 times. See, here also 3 times, here also 3 times, here also 3 times. Definitely here the order. What is the order? The order is 3. The problem is with the degree only. The problem is with the degree. So here what I said, you can observe here. Here trigonometric function is there. So trigonometric function is having the dy by dx. So you can say that one degree not defined. But here degree defined. Why? Because of that I said if it is like this, sin of dy by dx is there, then not defined. But here sin x, this is separate term and this is separate term. After two separate terms, then the degree defined. So your degree can define. Then you check out y triple dash is here is there, here is there, here is there. So its power y triple dash, what is the power? 2 is the power. So order 3 and degree is 2. So children, in this way we will